Hello and welcome to Learn PCM. We are going through a series of sessions for the chapter lines and angles, and till now we have gone through the terms related to basics of geometry. You have already seen, you have already gone through the sides of the polygons, the open curve, closed curves, complex, simple curves, and also you have come to know about the opposite sides as well as the adjacent sides, the angles, the opposite pairs of angles and the opposite pairs of adjacent angles. All these you have now come to know about, and I hope you have understood as well. Now let's talk about vertically opposite angles. Okay, in short we used to generally write VOA, though it is not it's not so very correct to write like this or to use like this, but it's okay if we are using, no problem, we can use. Now vertically opposite angles, where we are going to use these terms. So before that, let's try to understand these figures, or let's try to observe these figures. You can see here we are having so many crosses here. You can see that many of the lines are intersecting each other in these type of figures. You can see here two of the lines are intersecting each other or crossing each other. Here also you can see two of the lines are intersecting each other. You can see here also that there are two lines and they are intersected by two other lines, right? Here also you can see there are three lines and one line is intersecting these three lines. Now these type of lines where you get the crosses, okay, the form of x, where you get the form of x. You can see here also you are getting one x, okay. So wherever you are getting one x, formation of x, here also just try to find out the x. See this one, okay, again this. Here in this case you are having this as x, okay, in this case it is x, again here also x. So many x's are here, right? Now whenever you are having x formation, or whenever two lines cross each other, okay, or in other words we can say that when two lines intersect each other at one single point, you will get a cross, and there four angles are formed. Okay, how many angles are formed over there? You can see it is very clear to you that four of the angles are formed here, okay. Now in these cases, in such type of figures, you will see that out of these four angles, say if this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, and this is angle 4, in such case these four angles actually they give you a pair of opposite angles. Now as I have told you, opposite angles, what are the opposite angles? Angles which face each other. Now you can say you can see here that angle 1 is facing angle. Now just find out, angle 1 is facing which angle? Angle 1 is facing angle 3. So we can say that angle 1 is opposite to angle 3. Similarly, we can say that angle 2 is opposite to angle 4 as they are facing each other, right? So we can write it like this, that angle 2 is facing angle 4. Okay, now when we get pair of opposite angles, these pair of opposite angles are known as, say these pair of opposite angles are known as vertically opposite angles. They are just vertical to each other and they are opposite to each other. That is why we call them vertically opposite angles, and a set of vertically opposite angles are always equal. So you have to keep this in your mind. This could be this is very important point which is going to be used everywhere almost in the geometry. And what it is, it says that a pair of vertically opposite angle is equal. Okay, it means what? It means that angle 1 is going to be equal to angle 3. It shows that this statement, it says that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So I hope you have understood now what is vertically opposite angles. Let's move to another type of one more thing. Here also you can see here there are so many angles here. You can see there are so many crosses here. So again here also, if you just give the names to these angles, say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, say this is x, this is y, xy, sorry, let me take one more, u, v, w, x. Okay, and let's take here a, b, c and d. Let's take here say 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can see there are so many. You can see 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that means 12 of the angles are formed here, right? Now here just let us try to find out which are the vertically opposite angles. Let's have a pair of opposite angles. You can see angle 1 is facing angle 3. Again angle 1 is facing angle 3. It means what? Since it is forming cross, definitely it is going to form vertically opposite angle. And if it is vertically opposite angle, then what I said, that the theorem says that a pair of vertically opposite angles are always equal. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. Similarly, angle 2 is going to be equal to angle 4. Okay, and here you can see here angle u is equal to angle x. Similarly, angle x will be, sorry, angle this was uv, it was v, this is not uv, and angle u is equal to angle w. In this, try to find out and just give the comment in the just give your answer in the comment box. Okay, now here what is this? Again here you can find 3 of the crosses, 3 of the x are present in this figure. If you can give the name to these, let me give you the names. Say p q, this angle pq, say this is r and this is s. Let me give the names to these angles. Say this is 1, then this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. And here I'm going to give you the names as, say this is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now try to find out which are the pair of vertically opposite angles, and always keep in your mind what, that vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Okay, so we'll be coming up with another session in which we are going to learn or going to know about linear pair axiom. Till then, keep practicing, keep understanding, and just keep watching Learn PCM, and try to share the videos, and try to share to those students who wish to learn in very easy and very basic way, where, because I'm not using any other you can say any other means, just I'm using my own methods of teaching, so that I can make you I just want to help you out so that you can understand the things very easily and very properly. So try to share these videos to those who can get benefit out of it. And if you are new to the this channel, subscribe the channel so that you'll be getting the updated videos. Thank you so much.